And today we will learn next two problems. So AB is parallel to CD. So here figure is not given. We need to draw the figure. So first AB is parallel to CD. How we can take AB parallel to CD means we can draw like this or like this. Okay. Now I'm taking only the vertical side. Why? Because what is given PQ and QR intersects AB and CD. Right? Two parts. So when I am drawing the figure with while taking horizontal parallel lines, it is not getting correct according to the question. So I am taking the vertical parallel lines. So PQ and QR intersects AB and CD. So let it be PQ and QR. Both will intersect AB and CD at EF. Let it be intersecting part EF GH. What is given? Angle PEB. Listen carefully. PEB means this angle. PEB. This angle is given as 80 degrees. How much? 80 degrees. Now QHD. QHD. What is given? QHD 120 degrees. Now what is the value of PQR? X degrees. Means PQR. This is nothing but X degrees. PQR is X degrees. Then how we can find X degrees? Now what is given? H degrees. So observe the parallel lines. These two are the parallel lines and this is the transversal AG. Okay. Show the parallel lines and this is the transversal 80 degrees. And what is this value? So both lie on the same side of the transversal. And so 80. So what is this? 100 degrees. Why? Because it is forming linear pair like this. It is forming linear pair. It is forming linear pair like this. 80, 100. Why? Because sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180. Sum of angles of linear pair is 180 degrees. Okay, this one we got is 100. So how these two look like? Both lie on the same side of the transversal and one interior and one exterior. So both are equal, right? Because corresponding angles. So this angle is 100 degrees because of corresponding angles. So what we got here? This angle is 100 degrees. Next, this is 120 degrees. This is what exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle. Exterior angle equal to 180 minus interior angle. So what is interior angle given? 120 degrees. So 180 minus 120 degrees, that is 60 degrees. So this value is 60 degrees. So have you observed the triangle here? The triangle here, it is like this. Observe the triangle. So this one we got 60 degrees, this one 100 degrees, and we need to find this x value. So 100 degrees plus 60 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So what we got? 160 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. That is 20 degrees. Now what is x value? 20 degrees. See how many pictures I have drawn? Almost 3 pictures I have drawn to get the values. So I have break the question into 3 pictures and have solved it. Next, lines L1 and L2 are parallel to each other. So lines L1 and L2, how they are looking? Parallel to each other. We need to find angle P plus angle R. So what is the solution for this? So see, it is given like this. So this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Alternate interior angles. Both lie interior and both lie on either side of the transversal. So both angles are equal. That is 45 degrees. Angle P is equal to 45 degrees because of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next, what is given here? Exterior angle is 125 degrees. We already know exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle. So what is interior angle? 125 degrees. So what we got here? 55 degrees. Here the answer is 55 degrees. And here it is 45 degrees. So can we take the triangle and we can write? Yes. 5 degrees plus sum of the angles of a triangle. 180 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So what we got here? 45 degrees plus 55 degrees plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. So angle Q is equal to 180 minus 100. That is angle Q value is 80 degrees. 80 degrees. So now what we need to find? Angle R. Angle R. And here look, listen, how it look like straight angle. 45 degrees. So 45 degrees QR. It look like straight angle. 45 degrees plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle? What is angle Q? We got 80. 45 plus 80 degrees plus R is equal to 180 degrees. So R is equal to 180 minus 125. That is 55 degrees. Now what we need to find? P plus R. So we need to find P plus R. What is the P value we got? 45. What is the R value we got? 55. So what is the answer? 45 plus 55 is 100 degrees. Answer is 100 degrees. Got it?